Hi everyone, ready to spark up your skills? Today I'm breaking down mag welding, the technique that keeps the modern world together. So what is mag welding? Mag stands for metal active gas welding. It's a process where a wire electrode is fed automatically to join metal parts. Picture a high-tech glue gun but for metal, fast, and super strong. Here's how it works. You hold the welding torch close to your workpiece, and a wire feeds out while an electric arc jumps between the wire and the metal. That arc gets incredibly hot enough to melt metal. As the weld forms, an active gas like carbon dioxide flows out too. This gas shields the weld from air, stopping any nasty reactions that could weaken your work. Now, what gear do you need? You'll need a steady power source, a wire feeder, a reliable welding torch, a grounding clamp for safety, and a tank of shielding gas. Trust me, each part is important for a clean, safe weld. Why use mag welding? It's everywhere, building cars, skyscrapers, bikes, you name it. It's fast, flexible, and the welds are super strong. That's why pros love it. Quick reminder, always suit up with proper safety gear. Welding can be dangerous if you're not protected. And that's your intro to mag welding. Thanks for tuning in. Drop your questions below if you want to know more.